Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Mohit Singh and you are watching MS Vlogs. And today's video is going to be a very good, amazing tech video. मैं एक watch का आपको एक review देना चाहूँगा. Portronics Kronos Y1 series Smartwatch. This is right here in my hand. As I was personally using this watch, and so I am sharing you the experience. I will do an unboxing first. And this product is quite new. और अगर हम बात करें प्रोटोनिक्स की तो इट्स अ वेल नोन ब्रांड. आपको इसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी इसके प्रीवियस प्रोडक्ट्स में भी देखने को मिलेगी. दूसरी बात, इट्स अ स्मार्ट वॉच, सो दे हैव लॉन्च अ वेरी गुड फीचर्स इन इट at a very minimal price. Let's talk about the features first. Okay, so it has dial from watch. First feature is you can dial any number from your watch itself. So I guess it's a good amazing feature. Secondly, it has a blood pressure measuring feature. I personally like this feature because nowadays अगर आप BP को check करना चाहते हैं, you cannot carry the machine everywhere. So I think it's a very good, if you are monitoring these kind of things on a daily basis, it's very helpful for you guys. Third, it has a SpO2 monitor, which is oxygen level monitor. Fourth, it has a water resistance IP67. So it has a water resistance. अगर आप देखें water resistance और waterproof में there is a big difference. Water resistance is अगर आप splash मारते हैं on your watch, that's going to be fine, but you cannot go underwater with your watch. So it has water resistance, it is not waterproof. Fifth feature which I am talking about is heart rate monitor, which is important nowadays smartwatches. And sixth feature is it has more than 200 watch faces, which is pretty amazing. Sixth feature is it has built-in music control. So you can control the music, you can play the music, you can forward the music, you can go backwards in your playlist. I'm a very, music kind of a guy, so मेरे लिए अच्छा है feature. Seventh feature is there are multiple sport mode, social media notification आपको इसमें देखने को मिलेगी. It's also good. So बात करें अगर इसकी weight की, it looks pretty light. Let's do unboxing and see. So this is the box right here of Portronics Y1 watch, and it has some manuals right here. Manuals को पढ़ सकते हैं. And if I talk about this manual, you can download the app through scanning this QR code. Charging lead इसकी available होती है इसके box के अंदर. You can charge it, and pairing is very easy. After pairing you can call directly from your watch. That is a very good feature, I guess. How to use it? Phone call, you can dial a number from your phone. I mean, you can click a picture just by clicking here, and the picture will be clicked on your phone. You can play any music over your watch and listen to it and enjoy the music. Weather भी display किया जाएगा इसमें, and you can read the messages from your notification from your phone. So there are alarm features and stopwatch features as well. These are some basic features. And if I talk about this, this has a Bluetooth version of 5.1. Dial is square, flash memory is 64 MB, and working time is up to 5 days. Standby time is 15 days, and water resistance IP67. Keeping this aside, let's move towards the watch. So yeah, this is a watch right here. So you get almost 200 plus watch faces, and basic 5 faces are there. 1 2 3 4 5, right? So that, if I talk about the warranty card, this is the warranty card right here. Along with the charging cable, you will get a warranty card. यहाँ पे आप register कर सकते हैं. Click a photo or WhatsApp on this number, or you can scan this QR code, right? So yeah, that's all. So after downloading the app from my phone, the app name is Dafit. It's Dafit, and you can connect this watch with this phone. I have already paired it. You can pair it. You have to turn on everything, connect it. So yeah, this will show that it is connected, and you can see the battery. It's 89%. Watch face. If I talk about the watch face, you can customize. So I like my picture, so I'm going to select this watch face, and yes, the interface is quite cool, just like an Apple Watch. And second last option, you can customize it. You can select any picture from your gallery. So I have selected this picture. You can select any picture from your gallery, and you can also position the time, and if I do this, it will go up. If I do this, so you can customize it as well, so which I find it very cool feature, similar to Apple Watch. And yeah, this is the market for faces. As you can see, there are plenty number of faces. So it says that it has 200 plus faces. You can select any, download. So yeah, it has been started. So yeah, as you can see, ये वॉच फेस मैंने इस पे शिफ्ट कर लिया है, and which I downloaded recently, and as you can see कि ये अब एक मेरा डायल फेस बन चुका है. So this is also cool feature कि आप अपने multiple dials you can select it. So from the face itself, it looks pretty amazing on my hand. अगर हम बात करें इसकी वेट की, इट्स लुक ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ पहना ही नहीं हुआ, राइट. सो इट लुक्स प्रीटी अमेजिंग. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ है ही नहीं, हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं. सो इट्स नाइस. ठीक है, लाइट वेट है, इट हैज़ फीचर्स, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट ऑन योर मैनुअल्स. और इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ स्लीप मॉनिटर. ये आपकी स्लीप, डीप स्लीप और आपकी लाइट स्लीप को डिफ्रेंशिएट करता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ये आपको बताता है कि आपने इन 24 आवर्स हाउ मेनी आवर्स डू यू एक्चुअली स्लीप, विच इज़ अ डीप स्लीप. आई फाइंड इट पर्सनली वेरी गुड फीचर. And if I talk about this dial feature, you can dial any number, right? You can dial any number, and you can talk here anytime, right? You can add some contacts here as well, right? It's coming out to be like बहुत similar results हैं for heart rate, which I find yes, it is working. And if I talk about the SpO2 feature, which I have it right here on this, so इसकी authenticity भी है, you can watch this. So it's somewhere around, like it's coming out to be 94 here and 96 here. So yeah, you can say that the results are quite accurate. So yeah, the results are quite similar, and I can trust कि यार इसके results are quite similar and accurate. So yeah, right, you can easily access your music from here, right? If you are like, if you want to, change the music, you can see that the musics are getting changed from my right. So yeah, तो अगर हम बात करें बीपी के मॉनिटर की, सो आई वांट टू चेक कि ये कितना एक्यूरेट है, राइट? सो उसके लिए आई हैव अ मशीन, बीपी मशीन राइट हेयर. मैं अपना बीपी अपने आर्म पे ये लगा चुका हूँ. आई जस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट इट एंड स्टार्ट ओवर हेयर एज वेल कि यार ये कितना एक्यूरेट है. माई स्मार्ट वॉच राइट, तो मैं दोनों को मेजरमेंट डाल देता हूँ एंड लेट्स सी द रिजल्ट्स, कितनी एक्यूरेसी है दोनों के रिजल्ट्स में. So my watch results are 116 by 72 and my machine results is coming out to be are quite accurate, low. So these two measures, as you can see, 116 by 72 and 123 by 74. So it's coming out to be quite accurate. कह सकते हैं 19-20 है यार, इतना तो चलता है. सो आई एम हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम माई वॉच. ठीक है, तो सो या देर इज़ अ वेदर फीचर एज वेल. जब आप अपने फ़ोन से कनेक्ट कर लेंगे तो यू कैन चेक द वेदर. ओह भाई, 44 डिग्री हो रहा है यार दिल्ली में. इट्स क्वाइट हॉट इन हेयर एंड सो you can see the notifications over here. Facebook के notifications are coming and yeah, you can turn the brightness आप बढ़ा सकते हैं, घटा सकते हैं according to your preference. And yes, these are some cool features जो कि आप मैंने actually this watch I have purchased only and only for this features, so that while running कि मेरा कितना हार्ट रेट है एंड कितना मेरा पल्स है एंड एवरीथिंग आई कैन मेजर बिकॉज आई एम अ फिटनेस इंथुजियास्ट, राइट? सो जिम में while वर्किंग आउट ये कितना दिखा रहा है. स्किपिंग, यू हैव बैडमिंटन, यू हैव बास्केटबॉल, यू हैव फुटबॉल, you have cycling, you have walking, you have running. So yeah, these are the exercise. यहाँ पे आप measures कर सकते हैं and clock feature है and alarm you can set it. stopwatch है, right? stopwatch में मैं जब plank करता हूँ, so I need a stopwatch right in front of my hand while holding my hand जब planks करते हैं. so 1 minute plank is recommended, right? stopwatch feature के बाद अगर हम बात करें इसकी, yes, this is a countdown from 1 minute. ऑटोमेटिकली आपका फ़ोन एक कैमरा मोड में चला जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली without your any touch, and you can click a picture from your smartwatch, right? So this shutter feature, you can click it 3 2 1 and the picture will be clicked from your smartwatch, which is a cool feature. There is a feature called continuous heart rate check. You can check it कि यार आपकी हार्ट रेट पूरे दिन में कितनी while working out or something like that. You can check it. BP control and blood pressure control, you can check. If I talk about other settings, you can set an alarm. यहाँ पे आप अलार्म लगा सकते हैं ऑन योर वॉच. फेवरेट कॉन्टैक्ट्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं. अदर सम यू कैन चूज द टाइम फॉर्मेट, यूनिट सिस्टम, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब फीचर, कंटिन्यूस हार्ट रेट डिटेक्शन. यू कैन चूज द टाइम फ्रेम कि आपको कितने टाइम के बीच में you want to enable it. Valid period, drinking water, reminder, weather, right? These are some cool features. You can set up the goal कि एक दिन में आपको कितने steps चलने हैं, right? So I have selected a basic goal 10,000 steps, right? I will give this watch 9 on 10 accuracy के मामले में, and looks के मामले में I will give this watch almost 10 on 10. Heart rate हो गया, SpO2 हो गया. Yeah, so that's it. If you like this video, hit this video a like button, and if you really like watching my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So peace.